Hello and welcome back. So in here we're looking at how to negate a character set. So normally we know that to select characters we do maybe A to Z, like a range like this, or we can do one from 0 to 9 like that, as we have done previously. But what if you want to negate this? You would do this using the character like this. So once you do that, it means it will no longer select what is inside here. So let's see how that works in action. Now, keep in mind that the caret should be inside these brackets like this for this to work. Okay, so let's go back and see how this works. So let's say, for example, I want to match this right here, but I don't want, or let's say I want to negate this list of characters. So I'm just going to say A to Z like this, and then I will put the plus sign 0 or more, but then I don't want to match this. I want this to be the negative so that it can match this other side here. So what will I do? I will do that. So once I put that caret there, it means whatever is in here has been negated. So anything apart from what's here will be selected here. So that's how you negate a character set. So let's try the same thing with numbers. I'll say 0 to 9. Let's see, 0 to 9, like so. So within that range, it will select anything apart from these numbers right there. So it's as simple as that. That's how you negate a selection range. Now, the selection range doesn't have to be a range like this. It could be, maybe you say A, B, C, D, E, like that. So it's selecting anything apart from what's in here, like A, B, C, D, E. So as long as it's not one of these, it's going to be selected. You can do the same thing with numbers. You can put a random set of numbers here, like that. For as long as they are not part of this, they are not going to be whatever is part of this, sorry, is not going to be selected here. So this is what the caret does right there. So keep in mind, it has to be inside the selection. If you put it outside the selection like this, it means something totally different. So keep that in mind. It has to be inside the selection set in order to negate it, like so. Okay. So pretty good here. Let's see, actually this is self-explanatory, so I think we will end here for this very short episode. I'll see you in the next one where we talk about something else.